The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 23, Entrustment. Onak Satra Raja Samku Sumita Bijna. If there is anyone who hears this chapter, Ancient Accounts of Bodhisattva by Sajaraja, they will attain immeasurable and limitless merit. If there is any woman who hears and holds to this chapter, Ancient Accounts of Bodhisattva by Sajaraja, she will never be reborn with a female body. If there is any woman 500 years after the parinirvana of the Tathagata who hears this sutra and practices according to the teaching, she will immediately reach the dwelling of the Buddha Amitayus in the Sukhavati world, surrounded by great bodhisattvas, and will be born on a jeweled seat in a lotus flower. Never again troubled by the three poisons of greed, anger, or ignorance, by arrogance or jealousy, he will attain the bodhisattva's transcendent powers and the acceptance of the non-origination of all dharmas. After attaining this acceptance, his faculty of sight will be pure, and with this pure eye faculty he will see all the Buddha Tathagatas, equal in number to the sands of 72 million kotis of Nayutas of Ganges rivers. At that time all the Buddhas will praise him from afar, saying, "Splendid, splendid, son of a virtuous family, you have preserved, recited, and contemplated this sutra from the teachings of the Buddha Shakyamuni and taught it to others. The merit you have obtained is immeasurable and limitless. Even fire cannot burn it. Even water cannot wash it away. Even thousands of Buddhas cannot give a complete description of your merit. You have already destroyed the Maras. You have already conquered the armies of birth and death. You have defeated all enemies. O son of a virtuous family, hundreds of thousands of Buddhas together protect you with their transcendent powers. There is no one equal to you among the devas and humans of the entire world. With the exception of the Tathagata, the wisdom and meditation of all Shravakas, Pratyeka Buddhas, and Bodhisattvas can never equal yours."